Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already signed in and granted permissions. Now start sending. Open the Xbox app, go to Messages or a party chat, and tap the photo or attach icon to begin. Make sure you're using the same account as your console so recipients match. Once you tap Attach, choose where to pull the image from. You can pick Camera Roll, Files, or Paste from Clipboard. Start with one clear photo so uploads complete faster, and you can confirm settings before sending multiples. After tapping Attach, you'll see sources like Camera Roll, Files, or Clipboard. Pick the one containing your photo. Tap an image to preview and use the crop or rotate tools to frame it. This both improves composition and can reduce file size, making uploads quicker. If you want to send several images, use Multi-Select. Confirm thumbnails appear in the Composer. Make sure the image format is supported, JPEG/PNG, and check the file size. Larger files may delay or stall. Tap Send and watch the upload progress indicator. Once you see a delivered checkmark, the photo reached the recipient. If they're on console, tell them to check Messages or Party Media. You can also save a local copy for backup. If sending fails, first check your network and mobile data settings, then verify the Xbox app has photos and storage permission. If problems persist, force close and reopen the app or sign out and back in. Simple restarts often clear stuck uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.